There is a lot of money to be made this year via cryptocurrency airdrop, and if you are familiar with this space, you will notice that there is a lot of buzz around the Parcel network airdrop. So in this video today, I'm going to first of all practically show you, for those that are already in the Parcel, they are finding it difficult to access their point. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can use VPN and all that. Then secondly, for those that are not familiar with the Parcel airdrop, I'm going to show you practically how you can be eligible, how you can also provide liquidity, and what it means to provide liquidity and all that. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So let's go to the practical aspect of this video. So the first thing I'm going to show you is for those that are already they already have the Parcel, they are already on the network, they are receiving their points, but they cannot access the website. So right now, all you need to do is go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download this wine scribe. I don't know that I pronounce it right, but this particular VPN, you download it and turn it on. And one thing you should always do is, like me, I always use London. So use only one network. Don't use this network, this country, this location today, another location tomorrow. So just stick to one location. So I always stick to London. And as this place is green here, that means it's on. If I click on it, I'll turn it off. And then the third thing I want you to also note with VPN is that whenever you turn on VPN, anything you want to do, once you do it, come and turn it off, because there are some websites that if you enter with VPN, you'll be banned. So please take note of that. So then the next thing is, if you turn on your VPN, you come right here on your Phantom wallet. So you click right here. Those that are new, just hold on, I'll show you how you can also provide liquidity. So you need to just click right here and come to the Parcel, okay, with your VPN on. So when you click on it, it will open. Okay, you see my Parcel is opening. So I will click right here to connect my wallet. So I'll click on Phantom, and then my wallet will be connected. So once my wallet is connected, I'll click on my wallet to be able to see my points. So if I scroll down, you see I have 47,000 points. It's very little because it's no long that I started putting my money bit by bit. And if you want to see how much you have put, the liquidity you have provided, all you need to do is click these three lines here, then come down and click on provide liquidity right here. It will show you how much you have put in. I've put 491, and mind you, for those that are new, I have been putting this small. That's one. And secondly, it's not as if this money is their own. I can always bring it out after 30 days, but the point that I'll be accumulating because I put this money here is what will make me eligible for the airdrop, which I'll show you how to get there. Okay, so I think that is that for those that cannot access their Parcel network. And secondly, I also discovered that mostly when you're using Glow network, I'm advertising Glow now. When you're using Glow network, mostly you can still access it. But if you're using MTN and Airtel, most of the times it's difficult for you to access the Parcel network. So now, what about those that are new completely? They don't know how to, they want to be eligible, they want to also provide liquidity for the Phantom wallet. So the first thing you need to do to be eligible for the airdrop, you need to get points. You need to put in some amount of money to provide liquidity. So how do you do that? First of all, you can go to any of the exchange and buy USDT. Okay, so let's say now you go to Bybit. I use Bybit a lot because Binance is restricted for peer-to-peer, and you know, as Nigerian, we are using peer-to-peer. So you can just go to Bybit and buy your USDT. So how do you do that? You can come right here, click on the home. That is if you have Bybit. If you don't have Bybit, I'll drop the link in the description of this video. So you click on more. When you click on more, you are going to see this peer-to-peer trading. You click on peer-to-peer trading. Acknowledge. Okay, you click, this is buy. So if you want to buy, you can scroll down, check the price. This one now 1,598. So you now click to buy and make payment. I have a practical video showing you how to buy and sell on Bybit. So if you, this one I'm just doing it fast. So if you are totally new, please, you can, I will link that video in the description of this video. So once you are able to buy your USDT, you can now convert it to to Solana, buy USDT, convert it to Solana right here. So how do you convert? In that video I also show, but let me just show you. If you come to your asset, okay, you can just, here you see convert, here's asset, okay, so you can click on convert right here, and then you can now select maybe USDT, okay, then right here this BTC you click and select Solana, okay. So that is how you do to, you can put maximum on any amount of Solana or USDT that you want to convert to Solana. Okay, so once that is done, you now transfer your Solana from Bybit to Phantom. So if you don't have Phantom wallet, I will drop link in the description of this video where you can, or you can just go to your Google store and download this Phantom wallet, okay, and create an account. So once you have your Solana in your Phantom wallet, the next thing you need to do is to convert your Solana to USDC using Jupiter on Solana network. Like, I'm trying to take my time to do this step by step. Please give me a like, okay? Appreciate it, because I know that I find it difficult getting along with this, and I know there are a lot of people that, like me, that some people will just assume you already know all those things, and you will not be able to know how they get what and how they will get where. So I'm trying to make the complex to be simple so that we all can thrive. If you have not subscribed, please do so. So at this point, I believe that your Solana is here. So the next thing you do, you click on this website, you click on the site like this, and then I will drop a link to Jupiter in case you did not see Jupiter here. I will drop a link so that you can just copy it and paste it here. But because I'm always using the Jupiter, I'll click on it. So once you click the Jupiter, you will now convert your Solana to USDC. So you see right here now is Solana. So, but if you do not see Solana here, you can click this tiny arrow to select Solana. So here, app with heart, with this app with heart that I had it launching, that I converted, I think $29 worth of Solana to this 150 something you are seeing right now. So I will now select USDC, okay. USDC is right here, or you can just search, because I have done that before, that's why it's showing. So right here to show you how many Solana do you want to convert, okay. So let me say 0.6 0.6 will be 90, no, 0.4 will be 60. Yes, I would just want to put in like $60. So I will click on swap, okay. It's pending approval. I'll just hold on a while. I'll confirm right here, and so that I can get USDC, because it's USDC that you are going to use to provide liquidity for Parcel network, okay. So it's processing. So it has processed and it is successful. So I can click right here so that it will show me my USDC. It will pop up, because this 152 now you see is 91, so it's still loading. My 152 is now 91. Okay, see my USDC is right here. So how do we now provide liquidity? What is even providing liquidity? So first of all, this Parcel is a site. Let me come here. Okay, I want to come to the Parcel. This Parcel network is a site where they trade real estate and so many other things. So, and they are going to drop based on the points that you have. So, and for you to accumulate points, you need to provide liquidity, meaning you need to put in USDT. Depends on the amount of USDT you put, that will determine how many points you'll be getting daily. So that when they will drop the Parcel coin, which a lot of people are anticipating, just like people that use Bonk, those that receive the airdrop of Bonk now, I think it's worth almost $500. So you can imagine what I'm talking about. And this one, there's a lot of people that are anticipating it. So what you need to do is to provide liquidity. And once we put the USDT, does not mean that it is for them, but they are going to hold it for like 30 days before you can access that USDC. let me show you example. So right now, the first thing you need to do is to click on your wallet. Once you have converted the Solana to USDC using Jupiter, you click right here to connect wallet. So connect Phantom wallet is connecting. So my wallet is connected. So the moment my wallet is connected right here, you see that the provide liquidity. You click this right here, 3 lines, and then come and click this provide liquidity. So once you click this provide liquidity, already you can see that I have provided liquidity of 491, and I did not do it one day. I've been trading some meme coins. So if I see a meme coin that is launched new, I'll just buy. When it go up, I sell. That's how. So the money I'm getting, I'm putting it small by small. As you can see, I put 218, 213, I put 59. So now you will now see deposit liquidity. Okay, you click on deposit liquidity. If you are new, as you are getting here, there's a place that will ask you for invite link or invite code. Please, this is my invite link. Kindly use it. Okay, so it will ask you to provide liquidity. You can like me, I'll just put maximum because the maximum is the USDT that I put. So I'll click on I understand. Okay, and then and it's telling me that I'm going to be getting 331 points per day. Okay, so I'll click deposit, and it's counting, it's processing. It will ask me, I will confirm. And the network they use is Solana. I think it's less than $1. It's less than $1. That is your charges. So once you do it and you order it and it's successful, every day in 24 hours you will be seeing your points accumulating, and I'll show you just as I've started from the beginning of this video. As you can see, release date. So that means this money I'm putting now is going to be for 30 days. As you can see, be the bank bonus activated is by on the 12th of April 2024. I'm making this video today 13th, so I have done that. So now if you see my provide liquidity is up to 551 now. So if I click here, it will show me. So this one is just now. So now with this, that means I'll be getting like 30,032 points. There are a lot of people that have accumulated. In fact, if you say you will be looking at it, you might end up, you'll be intimidated. So let me click on points. You will be intimidated because there are people that have billions of points. But don't despise the humble beginning. Gradually we'll all get there. Look at people. Some people already have up to 86 million points. So but the airdrop, there is a lot of things happening about the airdrop, especially this one. A lot of people, a lot of content creators are talking about it on YouTube. That is what even draw my attention to it, and I feel I should share with you. So sorry for the long video. Okay, sorry for the long video, but I believe it's worth it. So you click. So if you want to, anytime you want to see your points, let's say you come to your Solana, you first of all make sure you open your VPN. Once you are done, you off it. But if you open your VPN, I repeat again, just come right here, click. When you click, you come right here and search for the parcel. Okay, so like me now, if I just click here, the parcel will even show because I'm always using it as recent. So when you click on the parcel, it will open. Then if your wallet is not connected, you click here to connect your wallet. Then you'll be seeing your points. So the first day you do it, in 48 hours, you start seeing your point every day. So I hope this video is helpful, and I hope to see you in my next video. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section of this video. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye. I want to continue celebrating BTC at $73,000. Almost $73,000. I remember buying it at when it was like 1920, but I sold it at 65. I cannot come and kill myself and buy. Bye.